My seagull friend. Standing on Whitby cliff tops, observing the scene. Where have all the seagulls gone? It seems there are pleasure boats and pirate ships and people eating fish and chips. But where have all the seagulls gone? Once there were hundreds of gulls crying and flying overhead. I remember. And when the fluffy grey chicks hatched, holiday makers fed them leftover scraps. They cared. Then the poor seagull got a bad press. Buildings were aggressively spiked to prevent them from making a mess, or so it was said. But now I see in front of me the pier has become so empty. The ocean, a poisoned desert, full of rubbish and effluent and poo. Where has all the sea life gone? And what's a scavenger to do? Search for food on inland rubbish tips. But soon those too will be toxic shit. Perhaps local folk will share their snacks. I see food bursting out of lunch packs. If we can't thrive, we can at least survive. We gulls have planned invasive action. One launches a screeching distraction while the other seizes the abandoned bread. Better a despised thief than a bird lying dead. Then there's bird flu. When we are weakened from hunger, what's a seagull to do? Environmental degradation is depriving us of a living. Human depredation is just not so forgiving. What's a poor seagull to do? In Panet Park, Lily Pond, a seagull stands proud on a stone. He is there all alone, quenching his thirst, observing the watching woman cry with his yellow circle eye. What's a seagull to do? What's a human to do? To make the world feel a home for both of us two, for both of us two, for both of us two to fairly share.